Hello dear friend, welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you how to present your plan. As you know, in order to have a strong presentation, you must be able to present your work. In this tutorial, you will learn how to easily do this in Photoshop and you can use it from now on. So, let's go. In the first step, add a new layer and then draw the wall of the plan using the polygon lasso tool. In the second step, you need to reduce the brightness of the plan by means of adjustment, like this. In the third step, draw the white rectangle around the room with the rectangular tool. In the fourth step, you can use the Oneric plugin to create light on your plan, as I do. Okay guys, I add all of the light. You see, this is the all of light. I add the plane, and finally save the all plans separately, and then you can create your own video using Premiere. For this, enter Premiere and enter the save photo into the program, and do it in the same order. Okay. Okay guys, you can do as I say, I do. This is the work, and this is the final work. You can see it like this, and you can add song for this project. Okay, that is so beautiful. Okay guys, this is about the presenting the architectural plan. You can do this for other part as well. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Goodbye.